What's up? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you tips on how to go underwater with your GoPro camera for both snorkeling and scuba diving. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the gears that I use for snorkeling and diving. Of course, I have my trusty GoPro camera, and what you need to know is that it's waterproof up to 10 meters without a housing. So what that means is that if you're going to do reef snorkeling, nothing beyond 10 meters, you don't need a housing to go underwater with it. For those who intend to do any deep sea diving, then you would require the GoPro protective housing. And this takes your GoPro camera up to 60 meters underwater. That's very deep. For those of you who are serious about scuba diving, I would recommend you to use a filter whenever you go deep sea diving. So this one here from Polar Pro attaches to the camera like this. Pro tip, if you are diving in blue water, that's when you use the red filter. And when you're diving in green water, you will want to use the magenta colored filter. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And when we talk about gears, here is my weapon of choice for my hand grips. I have with me my trusty Max Grip tripod. It has a tripod at the bottom, and this hand grip extends up to 21 inches. Very cool. For those of you who like a really long extension, right? You have the Al Grande. This hand grip extends up to 38 inches. Well, why do you need such a long hand grip, some of you might ask? So that you can get close to the marine life without endangering them or yourself. Sing all my melodies. Now, let's talk about settings. With the new sensor on the GoPro Hero 11 Black, my favorite go-to settings has got to be the 4K 8x7 at 60 or 50 frame rates per second. Because by capturing more of the scene, you will capture all of the action, ensuring that you do not miss the opportunity to capture those amazing marine life when you chance upon it. The added benefit of capturing your shot in 60 or 50 frames, you get to be able to slow down your footage up to 2 times. That way, if you manage to capture an amazing manta ray like this right over here, you will be able to slow it down to enjoy that moment again. And if you have ever wondered how to change your settings underwater, I would recommend to you the 2-button control method on your GoPro. While pressing the mode button on its side, press the shutter button once, and that will bring up the preset menu. By pressing the mode button again, that allows you to cycle through different presets, and finally hit the shutter button to select the preset that you want. The tip that I want to give you is that make sure you set up those presets beforehand. Now, the next tip is particularly important for freediving and snorkeling without the protective housing. Make sure you toggle on screen lock on your camera before entering the water. That ensures that your camera doesn't accidentally change your settings when you go in the water, because the water is touching on the touch screen. Screen lock on. Very, very important. last but not least, the most important tip: camera maintenance and equipment maintenance in general. Even though your equipment and camera is rugged and waterproof, it is very important to rinse and wash your camera equipment after every dive, because salt water is corrosive and you want to take care of your equipment's longevity. And that's it for this video on how to go underwater with your GoPro camera. I hope that you have learned a thing or two. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Until then, I will see you in the next upload. Bye!